So, Mr. Cohen, you have my permission to share our conversation.
By way of background, let me just clarify for all of you and the public. The lawyer has, and it gets complicated, but the lawyer has certain privileges with the body that only the body can waive. And then from time to time, the lawyer has confidential communications with individuals that are one-on-one. And what we're talking about here is a one-on-one communication with the mayor only, limited to an issue for the mayor that he has now instructed me to publicly disclose. It's not a body privilege. This is a one-on-one confidence. And essentially, as I recall, I received an inquiry from you, the mayor, about you were in the process, I think it was per coordination with the town manager, to make certain assignments to the various boards and commissions amongst the council members, and you asked me if you could communicate with the individual council members, if that would be an open meetings law violation, or if there was another way to do it. And my instruction, using one of my favorite phrases that I use all the time, which is out of an abundance of caution, I think it'd be best if it came from the town manager. With regard to Councilmember Rodman's comment about the league allowing, you as the mayor to meet with people individually, that's absolutely correct. It's not an open meetings law violation for individuals to meet. But the context in which I was asked the question here was with regards to making council assignments that wasn't just one switch, it affected a number of people. And so the lawyer, when is faced with that context, who's a cautious lawyer, whose job it is to protect the body from having a claim that could be brought against the body that could result in taxpayer dollars being lost, gets concerned when there's numerous moving parts that we get into a situation of what we call polling. For example, you can talk to one, but then you can't go to the next one and talk to that one about what you talked to the first one about and kind of get a consensus that way. And so that's the concern of the lawyer, and that's why I gave the advice that I did. So you're right. There's nothing wrong with an individual mayor talking to an individual council member, but in the context with which it was presented to me where there were a number of moving parts, that's why I gave the advice that I did, right or wrong.